Hello friends, the travel bug has bitten and many are itching to take their dream vacations and visit friends and family around the world. In these times, it's very important to follow certain safety tips to take a COVID-free road trip especially. Here is Dr. Sitesh Roy, your super specialist in allergy, asthma and immunology, coming to you with this special video. Listen to the end for every single tip that I say. Number one, during a road trip, it's very important that you disinfect and clean your car thoroughly at the beginning of the trip. It's also very important to wipe down the high-touch surfaces such as windows, doorknobs, consoles, control areas, and frequently possibly sanitize them during the trip also. It's also very important to keep enough hand sanitizers and hand wipes in the car during the road trip. It's best to travel with known people, and if you happen to be traveling with people outside of your immediate circle, it's very important to even wear a mask inside the car or follow whatever the rules are relevant in the area that you live. It's very important that you make sure that if you step out of the car, you have a double mask on, especially if you're going into food malls or entering public toilets. It's important to hand sanitize before and after. Whenever in the car, try to roll the windows down and get some fresh air in to circulate the air inside the car. If you have to make multiple stops, then have a runner with you who is a healthy individual in the group who can make the trips outside to get stuff so that not everyone is exposed to whatever the environment may be in such pit stop places. It's very important that people who have recently recovered from any significant illness, or if they have any high-risk diseases that put them at risk for catching COVID-19 or getting complications from it, such people should still not be taking road trips at this point of time as much as possible. So with all of these tips in place and making sure that you are avoiding touching your face, especially when you're outside the car, and also making sure you're not using your phone when you're outside the car in public areas, because there is a high chance that you may come back and sanitize your hands but not sanitize your phone. So it makes a lot of sense to keep your phone in the car when you go in to do such errands on your road trip. So friends, following all of these precautions, taking full care of yourself, respecting that there is still COVID-19 amongst us, you can still take safe road trips, and I hope you're able to enjoy your visit with friends, family and your next vacation and come back safely. Till the next time, signing off, this is Dr. Sitesh Roy. Stay safe, take care.